I like to show you the basics of how to wrap a square box. The height of the paper is the box height plus slightly over half the length of the top and bottom. Fold the right edge of the paper slightly to create a clean edge. Turn the box face down. Place the right edge of the paper in the center of the box. Crease in the right corner to secure the box. Mark the overlap area about 1 inch. Cut off excess paper. Place back the box face down. Align the right edge of the paper with the center of the box. Fold the right corner and wrap the paper tightly. Crease the corners. Apply double-sided tape to the center of the back of the right edge. Then close it tightly. Make sure the box is centered. Close the box from the bottom first. Fold down the top tab. Fold each corner all the way in. Fold the side inwards. Make sure to create clean creases. Fold up the bottom tab. If there is a little excess paper sticking out, fold it inwards to hide it. Apply double-sided tape to close and stick firmly. If you folded each corner all the way to the end, a perfect intersection should be formed. Placing it upright will make it easier to close the top. Fold each corner to the end as the same as the bottom. Make all corners sharp and neat. Now, you have the perfect square box gift wrapping.